In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to inspect CS2 skins in games, so be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to the store, going to the market, and then clicking View on Market, and it'll open up your Steam. Now, you can show any results that you would like to actually see in game, but if I want to search a certain type of knife, I could search it, and then it would come up. Now, if I just want to go back and inspect these in game, all you have to do is go to the actual gun or knife that you want to see, and there will usually be a little arrow right here where you can click inspect in game, but you can also just click on it and it will load up, and you can click on inspect in game. Now, once you do that, it'll actually load up right here in game, and you can see, if you click on Shift Tab, the actual gun in game. You can see it in different lighting, and then you can decide if you would like to purchase it or not. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.